Hello, my dear student. I'm Miss Sawza, 3rd A's class teacher from Virginia School. Today we have science lesson. We will talk about two change in matter. The vocabularies are mixture, solution. You will learn how matter can change and still be the same. Also, you will learn about mixture, solution, and how new kinds of matter form. Now, how matter can change. Matter can change in two ways. We have two changes of matter. Number one, change that don't form new kinds of matter, like mixture and solution. Number two, change that form new kinds of matter, like cooking, burning, rusting. Now let's talk about the change that don't make new kinds of matter. Change that don't make new kinds of matter, it is a change of matter that no new kinds of matter are formed. Like vapor water, liquid water, and ice are all made of the same matter. The shape and the size will change, but it is still the same matter. Also, cutting the wool of sheep, spinning the wool into threads, and knitting the woolen threads into clothes, the wool looks different, but it's still wool. It is the same kind of matter. Mixture is an example of change that don't form new kinds of matter. Now let's see what is a mixture. A mixture is a mix that contains two or more different kinds of matter. This is the definition of mixture. And when you make a mixture, you are putting different kinds of matter together, but not making new kinds of matter. And also you can separate the mixture together, sometimes by hand or sometimes by evaporation and condensation. So the kinds of matter in a mixture can be separated, as I said. After a mixture is separated, the matter is the same as it was before it was mixed. What is a solution? A solution is a mixture in which the particles of two different kinds of matter mix together evenly. This is the definition of solution. So, when you put sugar in your tea, after you stir the tea, you can't see the sugar anymore because the sugar dissolved in the tea. But you know the sugar is still there when you taste it. So you can see sugar has dissolved in the tea. So this mixture of sugar and tea is called a solution. The different kinds of matter in a solution can be separated by hand. For example, you can separate the sugar and the tea with your hand, but evaporation can separate some solutions. How? For example, if you heat the tea or leave the glass out of some time, the water in the tea will evaporate and the sugar will be left over. Now let's talk about the second change of matter, which is change that form new kinds of matter. So some other chains form new kinds of matter like cooking, burning, and rusting. Now we will talk about cooking. Cooking often forms new kinds of matter. So when flour, eggs, milk, and oil make a cake, new matter is formed. The cake will never be eggs, flour, milk, and oil again. Burning. People burn lots of things every day. They burn gas to cook. For example, when your mom cooks at home, she uses gas to cook. And also engines of cars and buses burn fuel to move. So when things burn, new kinds of matter form. Also, when wood is burned, new kinds of matter are formed consisting of ashes and smoke. Ash and smoke can never be wood again, so you cannot change ash and smoke back to wood again. Rusting. Rust is a kind of matter unlike iron, so it is different from iron. It is not strong like iron. When iron rusts, it loses some of its strength. You can often remove that rusty part off. For example, if you bring a piece of iron and you expose this iron to moist air, you shall observe after some time that brown spots have formed on the iron. This brown substance is called rust. Good luck. Hope you enjoy the video.